Hello students, today we are doing chapter number 10, respiration in organisms. Respiration means breathing, how we breathe and how all the organisms breathe. This is all about that. One day Bhujo has early waiting to meet his grandparents who were coming to the town after a year. He was really very excited and hurried, and he moved fast. He ran fast and reached the bus stop. He was breathing very rapidly. Rapidly means very fast. His grandmother asked why he was breathing so fast. Why are you breathing so fast? Bhujo told her that he was running all the way round. That's why he is having some breathing rapidly, fastly. What is the answer? Why he was breathing while running? जब वो run कर रहा था, why he got the breathing faster? What is the reason? For that, we will have to study first of all what is respire, how we respire, what is respiration. First of all, you must know that all the body, all the organism, even the microorganisms are made up of small cells. A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of organism. Each cell needs some energy. What to do? Each cell needs energy to perform some functions like nutrition, to provide the nutrition, transport the water and all the parts of the body, excretion, reproduction. These all are the functions performed by that cell. Then how the cell gets the energy? उसको energy कहाँ से मिलती है? The energy the cell gets is from, see here now, the process of breaking down the food. Every cell needs some energy, and that energy is provided you by the food. Your mother always says to you to eat the food, proper diet daily, take proper nutrients. Why she is saying so? Your parents are very concerned about you. They want that you must have more and more energy. That's why the cell needs energy, and the energy is you get by the food. Now, how we respire? We breathe. We breathe in and out some air. The air which we breathe in is oxygen, and we give out oxygen. This all of you know. In the cells also, oxygen in the air helps in the breakdown of the food. जो हम खाना खाते हैं वो ऑक्सीजन उसको break down करता है और सेल उसको consume कर लेते हैं. The process of breaking down of food into cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? This process of breaking down of food, ये जो food को break कर दिया है with the release of energy, बहुत सारी tremendous energy is released by breaking of food. This process is known as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all the organism. सभी organism में cellular respiration होता है. When the breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, अगर वो breakdown oxygen की presence में हुआ है, underline this, in the presence of oxygen, breaking of glucose तो होगा ही, but if the oxygen is present, then we say that respiration is known as aerobic respiration. And if that breakdown of food is present without using oxygen, that means you can write here absence of oxygen. This is known as anaerobic respiration. So there are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means oxygen. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen. Oxygen is not there. Let's see aerobic respiration, how it occurs. There is some glucose. Glucose means that food which gives us energy. Now it is break down into in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen की presence में वो break down हो जाता है into how many components? 3 components, that is carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy is consumed by the body. Now what happens in anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration में क्या होता है? The glucose in the absence of oxygen gives alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. That means in aerobic respiration, water is released, and in anaerobic respiration, alcohol is made in the product side. Now, see, our muscle cells also respire anaerobically. हमारी मसल्स के सेल्स एनारोबिकली भी क्या करते हैं, रेस्पायर करते हैं, बट ओनली फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम, लेकिन कुछ पीरियड के लिए. दैट मीन्स व्हेन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर ऑक्सीजन or in the deficiency of oxygen during heavy exercise, suppose you are doing cycling, walking for many hours, lifting, and your energy is released, but the supply of oxygen is not proper to produce the energy, is limited, then anaerobic respiration takes place, and in the muscle cells there is sufficient energy is released and lactic acid is formed in the absence of oxygen. This process is present in muscles. Now see what is breathing. Breathing means सांस लेना. Close your nostrils. जब आप देखते हैं, whenever you close your nose and nostrils, you does not get proper air inside your body. Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. That means you are taking in oxygen अंदर और carbon dioxide बाहर. This process is known as breathing with the help of respiratory organs. That organs are so many involved, like आपको पता है, पहले nostrils, nose, then the air enters our lungs. These are all the respiratory organs involving in that breathing process. The taking in of air which is rich in oxygen अंदर, this process is known as inhaling. You are inhaling. In means inside, oxygen inside the body and giving out carbon dioxide. That means you are exhaling carbon dioxide. So this process is known as inhalation, and releasing of carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Now let's see what is breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes in a minute. 1 minute में जितनी बार एक person breathe करता है, inhale करता है air को, that is known as breathing rate. During breathing, inhalation and exhalation takes place alternatively. पहले inhalation, exhalation, it takes place alternatively one by one. A breathe means one inhalation plus one exhalation. एक बार ऑक्सीजन अंदर and carbon dioxide बाहर. तो एक बार आप पूरे दोनों को, inhalation और exhalation को, दोनों को आपने ऐड कर दिया तो आपके पास breathing rate आ जाएगा. तो that is one breathe. तो इस तरह से 1 minute में, underline this, the number of times a person breathes in a minute is known as breathing rate. Now you may note 1 minute. In 1 minute, if the heartbeat is 72 beats, if your heart is beating 72 times in 1 minute, then we can say that the heartbeat or the beating rate is normal. So what is the breathing rate of a normal person? That is 72 beats per minute.